Oh, there ain't many of us with the lawn season left at this point in the game. And you know what? Now that it's all over with, I want to take a trip down memory lane and reminisce on some of the best, no, not best, some of the worst lawn videos of this past season. And not just this past season, every other season, and most likely next season. The 5 worst lawn videos that you see every single year. If you're new to lawn care on YouTube, maybe you've seen them, maybe you haven't, but I'm going to warn you, they're coming. And if you've seen them all, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The first one, you know those ones where people, I shouldn't be laughing, and I do this all in jest, where people like wash their lawnmowers, like not just wash them, but detail them. I have never washed my lawnmower, much less detail it with a toothbrush. And you know the product in the purple bottle, I shouldn't even say it, but everybody got it. Super clean, oh, super clean, so great, and squirt, squirt, and I wash it here and I wash it there. Oh, give me a break. I've never cleaned my lawnmower. You're going to see those videos every single season for the life of me. I don't understand them. And here, I should say this, that I take great pride in all the videos that we're going to talk about today, the types of videos I mean. I have never once uploaded any of these. The second one, what's the second one? How to sharpen your mower blade. We've seen that one before, hadn't we? The timer a million. Okay, to be fair, I don't even sharpen my own mower blade. I take it to some of my friends that own a shop in town and support a local business. So, but geez, golly, how many times can we see somebody sharpening a mower blade? Oh, here's one. Third video. Hydrotain. Golly. We've all heard about hydrotain. You know, that stuff you spray on the lawn and it traps the moisture from the air to help keep the soil moist for a extra period of time. Golly, but if I have to look at another hydrotain thumbnail, I'll keep that to myself. Number 4. What is number 4? I had a list. Oh. Touchy subject here, folks. Touchy subject. The subject of soil tests. Golly, I hate to warn you, but you're just like 4 months away from being wham blasted with soil tests again. And everybody's showing you how to do it and going out their lawn and digging up a little dirt and playing in the dirt and putting it in a little tub. And then, you know, of course, you have to do a soil test because that means you have to click on the link and you have to buy their test in the link below. That way they'll make some money off of it and you're going to make your soil just that much better with that soil test. Okay, let me backtrack a second. I have made a soil test video, but not like the one you're going to see a million times come next February and March. I was the one making the video that said, I'm telling you, you don't have to do a soil test. But yes, you're going to see lots of soil tests again in videos next spring. And this last one, this one's kind of new. This is just new on the market. But I can already tell they're starting to gain momentum. It's going to get scary. You already know my affection for lawn paint. And now it's the mulch dye. When all else fails and it looks like crap, just paint it. Polish a turd. I'm not a fan of lawn paint. Mulch dye is kind of cool. I prefer just go and get fresh new mulch, but I understand some people can't do it. But still, those videos are gonna, you can always tell why the videos all come out at one time, because that one particular company is just like spamming all the lawn care content creators. Hey, we'll send you a bottle of my product, and if you'll just use it and show it in a video, and they go, wow, free product, yay, send it to me. Yeah, well, not me. I don't do that. All right, lawn season's always fun. Everybody does put out great videos, and I'm just playing here. But those are the 5 that I get tired of seeing every season, and if you want to consider this a plea, me crying out and begging for help, don't do it again next year. For the love of all that is holy, don't do it again next season. I can't take it no more. All right, my friends, that's it. I just sit around and laugh about these things and had to talk about it. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you as always. Budget Lawns is successful because of you, not me, because of you. And I appreciate all of your support and being here with me every time I upload a video. And I can't wait to see you next time.